Imagine controlling your DJI Osmo Pocket for without even touching it. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, DJ, I might just make that possible with their new wireless accessory, the Osmo Frame Tap. Stick around because today, GadgetVerse is revealing everything you need to know about DJI's next-gen pocket camera and the exciting Neo2 drone. Paragraph 1. Osmo Pocket for wireless remote leak. A recent FCC filing has unveiled a brand new, unreleased DJI gadget called the Osmo Frame Tap, hinting that the Osmo Pocket 4 or Pocket 4 Pro could launch alongside a wireless remote. This tiny but powerful device isn't a camera, it's a compact wireless controller designed for gimbals, action cameras, and other portable DJI devices. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, creators can expect fast, low-latency control. It's perfect for hands-on filming on the move. Paragraph 2. New pocket for design leaks just a day ago. A leaked image gave us the clearest look yet at DJI's upcoming pocket camera. The physical buttons below the rotating display confirm earlier rumors. It's offering creators quick on-the-fly adjustments without diving into menus. The larger camera housing and visible cooling vents suggest DJI is upgrading internal hardware for longer recording sessions and higher bit rates. While a potential dual camera system may hint at multiple pocket for variants. Paragraph 3. DJI's FCC race against time with the US FCC ban deadline on December 23, 2025. DJI is rushing to secure approvals for these devices. While this filing doesn't guarantee an immediate release, it signals that DJI is preparing to bring a next-gen pocket experience that could feel completely different from anything before. Paragraph 4. DJI Neo2 Drone Overview. To DJI's Neo2 Drone, this small but mighty machine is perfect for beginners, travelers, and content creators. Unlike cinema-level drones, the Neo2 focuses on fun, hassle-free flying, reliability, and portability. With a mid-range price, it's more capable than toy drones, but still far more affordable than Mini 5 Pro or high-end G models. Paragraph 5. Neo2 features. In flight experience, the Neo2 features durable propeller guards, compact frame, and internal quirks like tight battery slots. Its 1/2-inch sensor shoots 12MP photos and 4000 video at 62-100 FPS, stabilized with a 2-axis gimbal. While it's not professional cinema grade, it's perfect for vlogs, travel, and casual FPV-style videos. Just remember, internal storage is 49 gigabytes, so offload often during long shoots. Paragraph 6. Safety and flight tips flying over water. The downward sensors can get confused by reflections, so maintain 2 to 3 meters altitude. Obstacle sensors help indoors, but thin branches, wires, or glass remain tricky. Expect real-world flight time of 10 to 12 minutes per battery. It's making extra batteries essential for extended adventures. At 151 grams, it stays under the 250 grams category. It's making it easier to fly in public spaces while remaining safe with built-in prop guards. Paragraph 7. Controller and goggles compatibility. The Neo2 works with DJI's latest controllers, RC2, Motion Controller 3, FPV Remote Controller 3, and supports Goggles 3 and N3. Older Mini Tour controllers won't work. But if you already own newer DJI gear, you can reuse them, saving money. Outro hook CTA from the Osmo Frame Tap, giving you hands-free pocket control to the Neo2's fun, versatile drone experience. DJI is clearly aiming to redefine portable filmmaking. What do you think, Car? You ready to upgrade your setup? Smash that like button and subscribe to GadgetVerse. For more exclusive leaks, reviews, and tech insights,